मिलकर प्रिपेयर करनी है एक प्रेजेंटेशन ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक विद इन अ वीक, then what will be your first step? Firstly, you will introduce to them and also you will have their introduction. Means you people will be familiar to each other by knowing their skills, by telling your skills. And in today's experiment, we have to work on this instrument. So till now, this instrument is completely unknown to us. In a similar way, to work on this instrument, it is very important to be familiar with this instrument so that we can fulfill our aim of experiment. So let me first introduce this pH meter to you. Have a look, guys. This is the pH meter. I hope it is clearly visible to you all. तो चलिए देखिए guys, here are 3 knobs present on this instrument. How many knobs are there? 3. Knob number 1, knob number 2 and knob number 3. So let's see what are these 3 knobs. So this first number knob is temperature knob. As it is getting clear from its name itself, temperature knob means by the help of this knob you can adjust the temperature of this instrument. देखिए, जैसे कि अगर आपको इस इंस्ट्रूमेंट का टेम्परेचर सेट करना है इक्वल टू रूम टेम्परेचर, तो मैं अभी की बात करूं तो हमारा रूम टेम्परेचर है 32 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो इस इंस्ट्रूमेंट का टेम्परेचर 32 डिग्री सेल्सियस करने के लिए आपको टेम्परेचर नॉब को कुछ इस तरह से घुमाना है. You can see the display screen. So now the temperature of this instrument is 32 degree Celsius. Alright? अभी ध्यान से देखो गाइस, नॉब को तो मैं अभी रोटेट कर रही हूँ, लेकिन क्या मेरी इस नॉब को रोटेट करने से कुछ रीडिंग्स में वेरिएशन आ रहा है? Yes or no? No. So why this is so? Temperature of this instrument is kept constant even after rotating this temperature knob. तो ऐसा क्यों? So this is because I have done something wrong with this knob number 3. So let's proceed with this knob number 3 before coming to knob number 2. So this knob number 3 is known as functional knob by which you can adjust the mode of instrument. यहाँ ध्यान से देखिए गाइस, टेम्परेचर, पोटेंशियल, पीएच, these all are what? These all are the modes of this instrument. अगर आपको किसी भी सॉल्यूशन का मेज़र करना है पोटेंशियल, then for this purpose you have to set this functional knob at the mode of potential just by rotating like this. ठीक है? लेकिन अगर आपको मेज़र करना है pH of the solution, then for this purpose you have to adjust this functional knob at the mode of pH just by rotating like this. Are you getting me? Now coming to knob number 2. So this knob number 2 is known as calibration knob. As it is getting clear from its name itself, calibration knob means this is the knob to calibrate the instrument at standard value of standard solution. Now to set the standard value of standard solution, you have to rotate this calibration knob just like this. You can rotate this in left side also as also in right side. Okay? So now I am introducing the most important part of this pH meter, that is its electrode. Have a look guys, this is the electrode of this pH meter, by which you can measure the pH of any solution, by which you can measure the potential of any solution, by which you can measure all of the modes present on this instrument except temperature. Okay?